Hi, good morning. This is SK. I hope you all had great Tuesday and ending up in green in profits. I did okay. Had some bracket order as well, and it got triggered. Made some extra buck. Okay, over here, if you see, let's see what S&P did yesterday. Let's do the recap. We had our trend line here, and yesterday was the open where we saw the fall in pre-market, and like it always traded around the same area, never took the high of the day, and ended up around the open. So like we had around the open close here, we had around the open close on 21st. So what does that tell us? That means these are indecision days. Neither the bulls nor the bears win in this area. Right now we are in a very, very, very important phase. Like maybe it looks like very simple that okay, we are low, we are up, like now it's too oversold or this and that. From 3 days, 1 2 3 3 days, we are kind of consolidating and staying in a price range. And if you see the price action, this kind of a price action, this kind of a price action, this kind of a price action, it's more likely uh, uh, neither the bulls are in control nor the bears are in control, but as per overall picture, bears are looking very strong here. So this green line here, this line here, what does that mean? We are in the fourth week of the month. So monthly candle has a very, very, very important meaning here. This green candle is low of last month. So where we I mean close of last month. So last month closed in this area. This thing is low of this month. So today, this month, we had low was 190. So right now bulls and bears will be fighting. Bulls, what they want to trigger a buy signal by closing above the close of last month, and we can see next leg up. Over here, what bears are trying to do, bears are trying to close below 190ish, so that like bear computers and all institutions can trigger, and we can see next leg down. But let's see how does the hourly chart making any meaning for us. If you see the hourly chart, if you can go back about this area, when we were about 2 or 3ish, I mentioned that like we can be looking into this kind of a trading range, and I made this kind of a trading range, and that's what exactly we're looking. But I'm still thinking this is not the right time to look very bullish here. We are in a bear market. I am looking into 185 at least. October low for sure. But at least we can see like 186, 187 ish very soon. So let's go to the daily. I mean, for me right now, a daily chart has a lot of bear action going on, where we have two strong bear reversals and indecision days. Right now, if we see any pullback, we see any what do you call it, bull candle, that will not be a trend changer. We need at least second leg up. We need at least second entry. We need a second confirmation from bulls, because they have been failing back to back again and again every time. So right now, too much resistance going on. We have our last month's close, we have our daily resistance, we have our weekly resistance, which is very strong as well. If you see here, I mean, wow, this is, I mean, this can go up a little bit. This can, today we can see if we can poke, or we can stay about in between 197ish and 194ish. But I think the that bullish action will trigger more sell off, because we have too much resistance going on here. 5 minute chart, we have too much resistance going on over there, because all the bulls who bought here, you know they are holding again, they are holding a negative position. These are all retailers, these are not the big buyers, smart money. Pro traders are playing their day. That's why we have an indecision day. That means none of the institutions are taking part in it. But retailers, they are thinking, okay, now we can buy, now we are going up, now we are, like, now it has made the base, it has made the bottom, or all that. But not yet, not yet. We are looking a lot of resistance here for monthly candle to be made. So I think still bearish. How do I take my day today? I think if we poke around this area, which is this level, I will be looking, and uh, this level I will be looking. So I think either of the levels we can poke and we can see next leg down. I am still more bearish as of now. uh, how things can change? Things can only change if we have a very strong uh, bull candle for the monthly. Overall, I am planning to buy S SVXY, to see if we can get some good swing here, or I can short UVXY. I am more lean toward shorting these two, this guy, or going long on that guy, so that we can have one good day of a good point swing like 10, 15, or 5, 10, whatever we can get out of these guys. So I think today it will be. I think today it will be very confused day, as still we don't have any conviction pre-market. We are trying to poke the low of the resistance, and this kind of a action, price action, when fails, triggers next leg down. So, but I'm still thinking we can see from the open, we can see it can go down. It can make a base around this area. It can make a bottom around this area, about 193-ish. We can see some kind of a base here, and then we go next leg up. So kind of bullish, overall bearish, but for as of today, I'm looking that we can see bounce, as overall the market, global market, is up, and currencies are mixed, and commodities are mixed, kind of a thing. So futures were down last night, and today morning they recovered everything. So kind of bounce definitely from the overall market, but is it the reversal for the bulls now? No, this is not the reversal. Are we looking bullish? No, we are not looking bullish. These are all my assumptions. These are all my opinions. So let's see what we have going forward. And there is I zinc. This is something I really want to share with you guys, that what kind of a price action we look. If you see here, let's say this is our monthly chart or daily 5-minute chart, or any chart. So what mostly happened with the price action is, you can see this was consolidating all here. This was all going into the trading range. Let me draw that. So from months, almost 10-15 months, we saw the price was consolidating here. Once the consolidation break, then we saw the leg down. One leg, second leg, and third leg again. I mean, this is a great fall. This is very bad. So during the daytime, every day, this is the similar kind of a price action we see in our S&P, or any index. It opens, then it gives us a trend, then trading range, and after the trading range, most of the days we see either the trend upward or the trend downward. We need to understand the price action. Doesn't matter what chart, doesn't matter what time frame we are looking, we will be making a lot of money. So good luck everybody. I'm looking for cashing the bounce today by shorting UVXY today. So let's see what market has for us. But I think open of the market will go poke through 194-ish, and it can go back a little bit, and then make a base about 193-ish, and then go back. So hopefully this video can make any meaning to you guys. Thank you very much. Good luck, and I'll see you on my Twitter account. Bye bye.